Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. Presenting my next vlog on one of the recent beach hut stays with my family at Patnam Garden Cottages and Spa, situated at the Patnam Beach. This resort is just 50 meters away from the main Patnam Beach. We booked a deluxe AC family room for ourselves, which was a big duplex hut with dual air conditioners on each of the floors and very comfortable beds. The bathroom too was as spacious as the room itself and was very clean. Everything inside this cottage was of premium quality and the whole hut was beautifully decked up. The room had plenty of storage space and a cupboard with a locker to keep the valuables. This was the bedding on the first floor of the cottage coupled with a separate air conditioner. There was a nice sit-out area in front of each of these rooms with a beautiful garden view. The entire resort is set amidst a beautiful palm trees garden, giving a tropical oasis feel to the place. This is the place where yoga sessions are conducted in the mornings. Undoubtedly, it is one of my best and premiummost beach hut stays in South Goa. My family loved every bit of our stay here. This resort also has an in-house Ayurvedic spa which offers variety of massages and spa services to its customers. This resort has deluxe non-AC rooms, deluxe AC rooms and deluxe 2-bedroom family cottage categories to choose from. The prices of the room range from Rs 5,000 onwards for a deluxe non-AC room and goes all the way to around 8,000 rupees for a family cottage during the peak season time. The prices vary as per the season time and I got my room for just Rs 3,000 for 3 people and included breakfast too, as I booked it way before and it was just the start of the new season. This resort also has an in-house restaurant and bar by the name Zaroma Resto Bar. This resto bar serves huge variety of cocktails and mocktails and serves both Indian and international cuisines. We had our breakfast at this place and everything we ordered was very delicious. They serve continental, English and Asian set breakfast combos. The nightlife in Patnam Gardens is very beautiful and serene, and I am posting a separate video to depict the same as an extension to this video. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please do subscribe to my channel, click the like button and add in your valuable comments, and stay tuned to my channel as many more amazing videos from Goa are coming up. Thanks for watching, bye and take care.